Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting provides web hosting services for individuals and businesses. Their main purpose is to offer reliable and affordable web hosting solutions. Key features often include shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and reseller hosting options. Their website provides details on specific packages and features. A2 Hosting positions itself as a provider of fast and reliable hosting, emphasizing their use of SSD storage and their Returbo servers for enhanced speed. They highlight pricing transparency, often advertising no hidden fees and various contract options to suit different needs. They compare favorably to competitors by offering a wider range of hosting solutions and focusing on speed and uptime. Availability is worldwide. You can check specific options and pricing on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using A2 Hosting. I recently migrated my small business website to their shared hosting plan. Getting started was incredibly easy. Their setup process was straightforward, and I was up and running within an hour. Navigating the cPanel interface was intuitive, even for someone like me who isn't a coding expert. I found it easy to manage my email accounts, FTP access, and install WordPress using their one-click installer. Performance has been excellent. My website loads quickly, and I haven't experienced any downtime. I had a quick question about setting up an SSL certificate, and their support team responded within a few hours via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how quickly their support team addressed my query. One minor drawback was the slightly steeper learning curve when it came to understanding some of the more advanced server settings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with A2 Hosting. The speed, ease of use, and responsive support have made the switch incredibly worthwhile. That's my overview of A2 Hosting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.